Hey guys, this video we're going to be checking out the Durafly Tomahawk. This is an FPV wing from Hobby King. This is the plug and play version, and it doesn't come with the FPV system on there, but it does come with the servos and the motor pre-installed. They also sent me this TX6i radio, and I'm flying with one of the receivers that they sent, which is one of these orange RX receivers. Here I installed my own FPV system, a Pagoda antenna, an AKK X1 video transmitter, and I'm using a Foxeer Aero Mini. I'm using a smaller battery than they sent me. They sent me a 1000 milliamp hour 4S. I'm using a 750 milliamp hour 4S because this is too heavy to get the CG rate, which is supposed to be where the servo wires are in the wing, supposedly. So if that's true where that is, then this is basically you have to add additional weight in the back. I add some weight, but there's not a lot of room to add more weights, so I might have to add even more weight later if I want to do if I want to put a run cam up in the front or some sort of HD camera. That's what this flat area is for, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to get DVR footage for now. I'm going to do a little line of sight first, and then we'll do a little FPV through an FPV monitor, get a little FPV footage. And it's pretty windy today, so we'll have to see how things go. Okay, I'm just going to launch it straight into the wind. Hopefully things will go well here. Oh, it's very windy up there. And actually the CG might be wrong. It does feel a little bit tail heavy. Well, it is, the nose is popping up a little bit. It doesn't look like there's too much damage from the little hard landing. Got some dirt that went inside here. Prop seems to be okay. It's a little scuffed up on the edges. And this kind of wind, this plane is probably too light. Don't think I would recommend it. So I'm going to move the battery a little more forward. Looks like the CG might be off. All right, let's give it one more shot here. Downwind's very fast. Yeah, I don't think I'm that comfortable flying this FPV in the wind here, so I think I'm going to skip that. I'm just going to fly a line of sight. It's very fast and twitchy. Very, very fast. A little bit of wing waggle. And when you're sideways to the wind or downwind, it's very twitchy. Upwind seems to be better. Yeah, you got to be very attentive to what the wing's doing. You can see a lot of wing waggle there due to the abrupt winds. Now, I would not recommend this for beginners. I'm a little rusty on the planes right now because I don't fly too much planes. But this is not a beginner. This is not a beginner plane. Look at how much is getting kicked around here. The wind is really doing a number on this. It's a pretty good wind we got going here. 20 miles an hour at least. and gusting. I think that maybe the battery might have shifted. It looks like the CG is messed up again. I'm going to bring it in for a landing. Check the battery one more time. Anyway, I wouldn't recommend this plane for beginners, especially in windy conditions like this. It's just too hard to fly. I'm going to talk to Hobby King and see about the CG, where the proper CG might be. I might not have it in the right spot. But yeah, in these kind of windy conditions, I wouldn't recommend flying this at all. So I'm going to talk to Hobby King about this, and I'll have another video in the future if I can get these sort of issues resolved. It's pretty hard to fly. I thought it would be easier based on the videos I saw, but yeah, this is not an easy plane to fly for beginners. If you're an expert pilot, I think you'd probably be okay, but it's very twitchy in high winds, and probably this is better for low to calm wind conditions. Anyway guys, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.